It looks like Drax the Destroyer is very unhappy with Disney right now. In a new statement on Twitter, the actor Dave Bautista, who plays Drax in the MCU and of course the Guardians films, expressed his displeasure with Disney over their decision to not reinstate James Gunn, even after all of the outpouring from the cast themselves. In a tweet he said, quote, "I will do what I'm legally obligated to do, but Guardians without James Gunn is not what I signed up for. Guardians without him is just not Guardians of the Galaxy." He also continued his post with a jab directly at Disney, saying, "It's also pretty nauseating to work for someone who would empower a smear campaign by fascists and cyber Nazis. That's just how I feel." While pretty much all of the main cast of the Guardians films have directly addressed the situation regarding James Gunn's firing from the third film and the rest of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, Dave Bautista has continually been the most outspoken on the matter, going on about his disgust with how the whole situation has been handled. And at this point it looks like we aren't going to see Drax past Guardians 3, if he even is part of Guardians 3 at this point, because Disney is one of those companies that if you snap at them, they will snap back, Thanos style. So what do you guys think about this? Do you agree with Bautista that the way they've handled this whole situation is just bad, and that he's basically going to be legally obligated to do Guardians 3 at this point unless they destroy his contract or something? But I mean, we might even get like a phoned in performance or something, because this guy is just really not going to be happy on set with how this whole situation went down. This is going to be a bigger issue with the third film going forward, especially having to do press for it, and just the general feeling, I guess, of whoever Disney does employ to do the third film, because they obviously are going to have to look for a new director to take over, and just that whole level of awkwardness and tension on set is going to be really weird to see. For more updates on Guardians 3 and everything pop culture, be sure to subscribe to HN Entertainment.